Welcome to Mafli's Trust Farms. Before we start planting, we need to prepare the land. Today, we are going to show you the importance of ploughing. Ploughing helps loosen the soil, remove weeds, and aerate the land. This creates a perfect environment for our crops to grow. We use a tractor-mounted plough to break up the soil. The plough turns over the soil, creating a smooth and even surface. And that's it. Our land is now ready for planting. Stay tuned for our next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.